Hi, this is Alan Cowgill, and for those of you that don't know me, I'm known as the guy all over the nation that has cracked the code on finding private money. And why is that important to you? Well, there's only four parts of the real estate deal at the very top level. And number one is you got to find a motivated seller of property that works for us. Number two is then you got to have money. And so many real estate investors are making mistakes by going to banks and trying to get money, and sooner or later the bank will drop you. They did me, that's for sure. Once I quit my job, and so many of you want to get into real estate to get out of your job, so it's just the opposite of what you ought to be doing. So let me share with you about private money at the event that Traction Reia has Saturday, and I want to talk to you about it for just a second. I want to talk to you about banks. You know, you can lose some of the best deals because somebody comes along with all cash and buys it out from underneath you. Probably one of my students that has cash. Well, you need to be in that game. And number two is money down. Mine charged 20% down. That's a showstopper for some of you. They charge points and loan fees, and granted, they aren't high, but they're still eroding your profit base. They won't finance some unusual deals. I'll show you some of my deals Saturday that'll blow you away. And they like monthly payments. How would you like to do deals and not have to worry about monthly payments? I'll show you that too. And time, I wanted to buy a duplex. Took the bank 4.5 months to make up their mind. My gosh, I could have lost that deal. Today I can get an offer accepted on a Monday and own the property on a Friday. Wouldn't you rather live in that world? You know, that's how you get wealthy, by moving fast and getting deals before anybody else. And you got no relationship with the bank, but you think you do. You are lulled into a sense of security because you have their name and business card. But I'm here to tell you, you got air. You got nothing. They can quit, retire, get laid off, and you got to start all over again. Or they get promoted. I mean, there's so many bad things that can happen to you. Or they'll change the rules like they did on me. You are disqualified from borrowing when you have too many properties. How do I know that one? Happened to me twice, and they dumped me. Had 4 properties. You know, shouldn't you be in control of your own business and not let them control it? If your income doesn't satisfy the bank, they won't touch you. If your credit doesn't satisfy the bank, they won't touch you. Or like I said, once you quit your job, they will quit you. I'll tell you, join me. This thing is going to rock. It is Saturday, July 13th. I'll speak from 9 to 3, and it will rock. People love my training. If you don't know what private lending is, you need to be there. If you do have private lenders, you need to be there because I'm going to go through the legal stuff during the day that nobody else in the nation is doing at my level. And you got to see that. Where's it at? Sheraton. At Tyson Corners. I'm sure you know where that's at. How do you sign up? I want you to do this right now. Go to https://Traction Reia. TractionReia.com. Go there right now. Sign up. I'll see you tomorrow. You will love every minute of this. Well, to your wealth. And I'll see you tomorrow.